today, for me, standing here in front of this American consulate, it's a dream come true. Speaking in front of the Consul General is for me is a proud moment to be here, and it's how, as you said, you think about America, and if you dream big, you can, everything happens. So I want all your good wishes and blessings that this IFA at Tampa Bay, I'm convinced that this is going to be the best IFA ever. Thank you very much.
IFA this year in 2014, April, is happening in Tampa Bay, because I can assure you everyone who comes there is going to have such a good time. Not only because it's a beautiful city, it has a lot to offer, it has a lot of culture, but also the people there are warm, welcoming, and I'm sure they'll give you a good time.
I would like to say that I've worked with IFA very often, and while the philosophy of this show and the coming together of our two cultures is important, it's also important to put together an amazing event. And I think we're in very safe hands with that. I've been asked to host the technical awards. I'm very excited. I think we're going to have a very good time doing that. And I can promise you an amazing event. So I'm very much looking forward to it, and thank you for the opportunity.
Well, IFA is probably the only Indian award that allows us to celebrate Indian cinema on a global platform, which is, I think, all of us are dream. The dream of the Indian film fraternity is for Indian cinema to be taken on a global level and taken seriously on a global platform. So IFA definitely helps us at least put our best foot forward. So I'd like to thank the US Consulate and of course Wizcraft, which is Andre, Viras, Abbas and the entire Wizcraft family for hosting Indian Film Fraternity here. So thank you, and we look forward to seeing you.
Everyone who's associated with IFA would know that you guys give us like the best weekend ever, which each one of us, we work really hard as actors, and coming together with the fraternity, we never get to know them otherwise. We meet socially over like evenings for award functions in Mumbai, but when we travel with IFA, we actually become a family. Team Wizcraft, all of them, they're like a family to me. And the kind of love that they reflect every time, the kind of hospitality that they show, it's fantastic. And I think that's why they leave their mark in every country that, wherever IFA has happened, that country, remembers them always. So yes, I am a part of IFA, I'm a friend of IFA, and I'm going to remain so. Well, I've performed in Macau once before, so I think it'll be easier for me to rethink which songs I'm going to perform to, and the choreography will be different. We try to put in as much energy in it as possible, and make sure that the people get entertained when they're sitting there. They should be like, wow, this is beautiful. So we're trying to get that quality to it.
Well, I think IFA's stage is always grander, and they do have huger budgets, so their props are very beautiful. That's what I've noticed about IFA. And each time that I've performed there, they've always had something spectacular for me on stage. So let's see. I hope this time also we have to sit down and discuss, but I'm sure every performance is going to be better than the other.
To know more about your favorite superstars, subscribe to Bollywood Wala now and hit like if you like this story.